The ultracentrifuge device is one that, at very high speeds and with forces exceeding several 100,000 times the gravitational acceleration of Earth, separates very fine materials at the nanoscale, a task that is not possible with other devices. It has extensive applications in various fields such as medicine, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, drug production, vaccine preparation, and also industrial uses. Unfortunately, about 8 years ago, due to motor failure, the ultracentrifuge located in the central laboratory was out of reach for students, and it was not possible to work with it. Especially since most parts related to this device are considered sanctioned items, it was not possible to provide that opportunity. Students often had to refer to other centers to meet their needs, which involve purchasing services, and often came with very high costs. Kimia Rahavard company, considering its expertise and experience in producing and manufacturing laboratory equipment over the years, and its involvement with various research centers such as Darupaksh Company, Razi Serum Production Company, the Atomic Energy Organization, and Heavy Water in Iraq, took on the responsibility of repairing this device due to the urgent needs of students. The first step was to open the device's motor, where we discovered that the device's shaft was broken and had come out. We had to use a similar shaft, but since its diameter was not suitable and it was not compatible with the bearing that could withstand 150,000 RPM, we had to reduce the diameter by about 1 millimeter through machining, which took about 7 hours. Fortunately, we were able to restore and revive the device. With a power of 40,000 RPM and approximately 150,000 G, one of the companies affiliated with the growth centers of Tehran University of Medical Sciences has taken a significant step towards independence and self-sufficiency in the production of science and technology by repairing and restoring this highly equipped and advanced device.